Hey friends, today I'm sharing a brand new fall project, the Pumpkin Spice Placemat Pattern. This beginner-friendly pattern is part of my Cozy Fall Stitches class, but it's also available as its own standalone pattern in both PDF and paper booklet format. Each placemat measures about 13 by 18 inches, and it's designed to be quick, fun, and easy to finish. You'll just need 2 fat quarters, some scraps, a batting, and interfacing, and that's it. This is a great weekend project, especially if you love sewing something seasonal that doesn't take too long. You can machine quilt or hand quilt your placemats, and each one has plenty of room to show off your favorite fall fabrics. It's the perfect make for a cozy afternoon at your sewing table or a thoughtful handmade gift set. Here's what you'll need to make your own. 1 fat quarter for the top, 1 for the back. They're reversible, by the way. A small 5-inch square for the stem, another for interfacing, and a piece of scrap batting. Optional items include a point turner, a non-permanent fabric marker, and if you plan to hand quilt, number 8 thread and a sashiko needle. There are 2 ways to get this pattern. Grab the pattern available as a PDF download or paper booklet format. Or take the Cozy Fall Stitches class where you'll get this pattern plus step-by-step video lessons that walk you through every stage of it. If you're a part of the Quilty Club, the pattern is already waiting for you inside your dashboard.
Yes.
I hope you'll give Pumpkin Spice a try. It's a simple and satisfying way to bring a handmade touch to your fall table. Grab the pattern or take the class. All the links are below this video. Thank you so much for watching.